Hello YouTubers. So today we are unboxing this charger. uh, I was fed up when my son has been asking for cells for his PlayStation controllers. We have spent thousands of kroners on buying new cells. So finally in 2023 we decided to move to more sustainable solution, and we have purchased this charging box from IKEA. It's called Sugar. And then also these cells, so AAA and AA cells, they're also from IKEA. Let's open this box and see what's inside. I hope that we will not have to buy cells again and again. Okay, so it comes with the cable, and the box itself looks really good. It has the capacity of charging 4 AA cells and then 4 AAA cells. And then we have the IKEA booklet. Right, so let's try to unbox this and put this in. So here we have the 4 AAA cells here, and you can also see the direction on how you're going to place the cells. So there we are. In fact, it can do both, so it can do 8 cells simultaneously, irrespective of if they are AA or AAA. So here we have, and then I'll place the AA cells, and then we'll let you know how it looks and how long these cells last. Thank you.